2007 Chevy Tahoe with a fuel trim rich on bank 2 code set. It's let's see here, P0175, and an evap large leak. I already checked the purge valve, not leaking. Checked the mass airflow sensor for contamination, it's fine. Fuel trim's -20 at idle. Raise the RPM up, still negative. And then I saw the fuel alcohol content. So what I'm gonna try to do here, if it'll let me, come on. Gonna see if I can reset that. Fuel composition reset, I just saw it. Boom. Let's do this with the engine off. Boop. Procedure complete. Okay, this car also had a long crank time every time it would start because the fuel trim was at -20. So let's key off real quick. Key on. I want to jump back into those data numbers I was looking at. Let's make the list smaller. Now it says 3%. Let's see what the fuel trim does. Gotta let it get in the closed loop first. Oh, what's this? Now it's adding fuel. So it's not running rich. It was running lean. Anyway, yeah, so instead of the fuel trims being what they should be for it to run normally, it thought it had too much alcohol content, so it was dumping in more fuel because it thought it needed it, and turns out instead of needing to take out the fuel to stay stoichiometric, it needs to add fuel. So it might end up turning into a system lead code just based on these numbers, but as far as the system rich code goes, if you have a system rich code and you check all the usual suspects and you don't see any way that extra fuel's getting in, check the fuel content percentage because it might be wrong. Anyway, hopefully this helps. Yep.